If you've ever tried building something out of wood and felt frustrated, confused, or stuck, then stop scrolling, because what I'm about to show you could change everything about the way you build. Imagine having access to more woodworking plans than any hardware store, any magazine, or any YouTube channel could ever provide. I'm talking about 16,000 step-by-step woodworking projects, all in one place, fully detailed, fully guided, and ready for you to build right now. This is Teds Woodworking, the world's largest collection of woodworking plans, and honestly, it is shocking how many people still don't know this exists. Now, if you're like most people who love woodworking, you probably searched the internet for plans before, and you've seen how awful most of them are. Missing steps, missing measurements, missing diagrams, assumptions everywhere, and no clear instructions. Half the time it feels like the people who made those plans assumed you owned a professional workshop and $10,000 worth of tools. But what if you could build furniture, crafts, outdoor structures, cabinets, toys, home improvements, and thousands of custom projects? Without guessing, without stressing, and without wasting money on materials you didn't need. That's exactly why Teds Woodworking exploded in popularity. Inside this massive bundle you get step-by-step A to Z instructions that guide you like a master woodworker is standing beside you. Exact cutting lists, so you buy only what you need, no more wasted lumber. Sharp, colorful diagrams and blueprints that remove every ounce of guesswork. Multiple views of every project from every angle. And projects for every skill level, from total beginners to seasoned pros. You don't need a huge workshop. You don't need expensive machinery. If you can cut, screw, and glue, you can build stunning professional quality projects with this system. And here's where the value gets crazy. You're not just getting the 16,000 original plans. You also get free monthly plans for life, drafted directly from Ted's own workshop. You can even request custom plans for unique projects you want built. People pay hundreds just for that alone. But inside this package it's included. Plus you get a DWG CAD viewer, so you can open and customize plans, 150 premium woodworking training videos, a complete guide on starting your own woodworking business, over 200 pages of woodworking tips, tricks and techniques, all of that. Normally valued at over $700, is available right now for a single payment of just $67. Not monthly, not yearly. One payment for life. And it gets even better. There is a 60-day love it or shove it's guarantee, meaning you can download the plans, explore everything, start your first project. And if you're not absolutely blown away, you get every dollar back, no questions asked. Honestly, if you're into woodworking, even a little, this is a no-brainer. Thousands of Americans have already built incredible projects using these plans. And you can start today. So, do yourself a favor. Click the link in the description. Grab your instant access and start building the projects you've always dreamed of. Easily, quickly, and with stunning results. Your next woodworking project starts right now.